Welcome to trigonometry part 4th. Now, in previous videos we discussed 8.1 and 8.2. Now today we discuss here exercise 8.3 trigonometry. Now the first question here, evaluate. Now first one here, the sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Now look that sine 18 degree can change into cos. So we know that. Now write this one is a sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. We know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Clear? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Look that this one is changed in 72. So here this one is a rough one. 90 minus, if we minus here, subtract here, 90 minus 18, we get here 72. Clear? So now this one is right here, sine 90 minus 72 degree upon cos 72 degree. This one is just like this one, 18. 19 minus 72 sine 18. So this one, clear? Both are same. Clear? Now we know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this one is sine 90 minus 72 degree. So what we get here? Cos is equal to cos 72 degree upon cos 72 degree. So we get, divide this, you find the 1. It's your answer. There, answer is 1. Now see second question here. Second one. Second, they tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. Clear? So tan 26 convert into cot 64. So this one. So we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Clear? So this one is the convert. Here is the rough for 90 minus 26. What we get here? 64. Clear? This one is the rough one. Now this one is the right. Now tan 90 minus 64 minus 64 degree upon cot 64 degree. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this one is right now. Cot theta is equal to 64 upon cot 64. This one is, we find here 1. Answer is, here is answer 1. Here is answer 1. Now see the third part. Third part here. Third part, what is given here? Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Clear? Now this one is changed into in sine terms. So what we know that clear, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So this one is changed into, look that here, 90 minus 48, what get here, 42. Clear? This one is rough. Now look here, cos 90 minus 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So this one is right now, sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Both are same. This one is cancelled. You find here 0. This answer is here 0. Clear? Now see the fourth part. Fourth part here given, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Clear? So we know that, similarly we know that cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So this one is look here, the minus 90 minus 31. So what we get here, 59. Clear? So this one is right now, cosec 90 minus 59 is equal to sec 59 degree. So this one is a minus cosec 90 minus theta. So this one is right, sec theta. So this one also right, in this one is right, sec theta. Sec here theta is equal to 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. Both are same. This portion is cancelled. We get here 0. Your answer is 0 here. Now here your second question, 8.3. Now so that now here this is the first one. First one is given that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree is equal to 1. This one, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree is equal to 1. Here is the proof that this one is a 1. Now see the solution of our proof here. Take the left hand side here, given that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Clear? In here is changes. We take here this changes. This one is changed into cot. Here this one is a change into cot. And any two values change into cot, then we change this one in 1 upon 10. So we this cancel these points. Now we discuss here. We know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. These values change into cot. Clear? So this one is the right now, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, clear, and tan 90 minus 48 degree. So 90 minus 48 degree, this one shows tan 42 degree, and tan 90 minus 23 degree, this shows is tan 67 degree. When 90 minus 23 23, we get here 67. So this one is right, clear. Okay, now this one is right, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree. This one is a convert into cot. So this one is a cot 48 degree, and this one is a cot 23 degree. So we know that cot into change into 1 upon tan. So this one is right, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree. This one is a cot, right now tan 48 degree, and this one is also right, 1 upon tan 23 degree. So this one portion, this portion cancel, and this portion, this portion. Only we get here 1. Hence prove that. Clear? Left hand side. This one is a right hand side. Clear? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Clear? Now discuss the second part of this equation, this question. Now here the second part is given here. Second part of this question, cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree is equal to 0. Clear? Now this one is a change. Can this one is a change? This one is a change into, clear? Take the left hand side, proof here, left hand side cos 38 degree cos 52 degree sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. Clear? This can write, okay, cos 38 degree can change into, we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Clear? So this one is the right now, cos 38, 90 minus 38, we get here 52. We get here 52. So this one is right, 90 minus 52 degree, and cos 52, 90 minus 38. Clear? Minus this one is the same here, sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. So this one is a convert now. Sin 90 cos 90 minus theta is sin. So sin 52 degree, and this one also change in sign, sine 38 degree minus sine 38 degree sine 52 degree. Both are same. This one is a cancel. Here what we get here? 0. Your answer is, they hence prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay dear, now your third question. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Clear? Now see that this portion, first cut, this one is a convert into cot. Tan 2a convert into cot. Clear? Now see the solution of this equation. Given that here is given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Clear? This one is a convert now in cot. Clear? So we know that in this one is a convert into cot. So we know that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Clear? We know that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So tan 2a now write in cot 90 minus 2a, cos 90 minus 2a. Clear? This one is right, cot a minus 18 degree. So both are here is both side is a cot. So this portion is cancelled. This one is right, 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. A minus 18 degree. Clear? And both are acute angle. Both are acute angles. So this one is right, that 90 plus 18 degree. This one is goes that side positive. Clear? A, and this one is a minus 2 is goes right hand side. We get here positive. Clear? Now add this 108 degree is equal to 108 is equal to 3a. A is equal to 108 by 3. 108 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. A is equal to 36 degree. It's your answer. Here. Now discuss here question number 4 here. Question number 4 is given that if tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Clear? What we prove? If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now here, see the solution here. Solution here, given that tan A is equal to cot B. Tan A is equal to cot B. So this one is a tan A. Tan A can change in cot. So now look that this one is right now cot 90 minus A. This one is a tan. Clear? Is equal to cot B. Clear? So this portion. So these are same. Cancel. We get here 90 minus degree minus A is equal to B. So this one goes that side. 90 is equal to B plus A. B plus A. Yeah, or this one is right. A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Hence proved. Dear, question number 4 and 5 are same, so you solve that. If any problem, please consult to me by the message. Now we discuss here the question number 6. Question number 6. If, here is question number 6. If A, B and C, A, B and C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, so that what's here? So that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This one is the question is coming in CBSC 2012 and 2011. Clear? This one is a clear. Now how to solve that? Get the solution here. Clear? We know that the sum of all angle of a triangle. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Clear? We know that. So that is angle A, B plus C, 180 degree. Clear? So this one is divided. On dividing both sides by 2. On dividing both sides by 2. So what we get here? A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. This one is 180 by 2. Clear? So this one is right now. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now find b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. Clear? On taking both sides, sine, on taking sine both sides, we get sine both sides. So what we get here? Sine b plus c by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus a by 2. This one, there we know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this one is right. Sine b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. This one is clear. Cos a by 2, and hence this one is a proof here. Hence prove that.